Hello, David. This is the mobile second project demonstration. So I was using MAUI to build the weather app. So first, I will show you how my mobile app is working. So when you just turn it on, this one is a detect the location. So I put um, this mobile this device default location as a wallen. I put it as a wallen. So when you just click it, this one is checking the weather app and then showing the wallen weather information. So Ontario, Canada. This one is a weather information, and then later on the bottom there's an upcoming weather. So this one is today. Every 4 hours, you can see the weather description and then the image as well, and then temperature in the bottom. And then also, there's the next 3 days weather information. So this one is a Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So when you click, for example, Friday, just clicked it. Then this one show me the weather Friday and then weather image and then detail. And then this one also show me the weather information by hour. So this one is a weather app. So when you can search other places as well. So when you see this one is a search term that you can search by the city name or postal code. So I can go to Toronto. So search it. Then this one show me the Toronto weather information, upcoming weather, also next 3 days weather. And then we can go to Vancouver weather, upcoming weather, and then few information as well next few days. You can put the postal code as well. So I only know the Niagara Falls, for example, 2G79. This is where I'm living. So Niagara Falls, Canada, also weather, and then it's gonna be late rain next few days. That's fine. And then when you go to, for example, London, then when you search it, it just show me the London in United Kingdom, but I know you want to know the London in Canada, right? So London to Ontario or Canada. You can see London, Ontario, Canada. Okay, this is the London weather. Mm, then you can also search by the American zip code as well. So I know there's a New York zip code 10001. Then search it. Then New York, USA, about the weather. And then this is upcoming weather. The temperatures are good. And then also I know the California, so 90001. When you put the 5-digit number, the zip code, also show me the Los Angeles, California. And then this coming weather. And look at this beautiful weather. Nice. And also you can go into the details page as well. Um, Also, you can go not only the inside of, I mean, in the North America, you can go out of the North America as well. So when you go to Madrid, Spain, then Madrid, Spain, also there's some weather, very nice sunny weather. And then let's go to Seoul. Let's see, check the Seoul as well. Oh, it's a cloudy. And then this is a upcoming weather. And then next few days as well. But when you see, for example, when you put something that makes sense, like Toronto, TO, only TO, then there's error message that unable to get the weather. Or you can put, it's like a 5-digit, the zip code for the America, but if you just 110 finish, then also unable to get the weather. So this is my mobile application. and then I will show you the file structure as well. So as you know, I was using the Weather API to fetch the data and then display the data to my mobile app. So I was using um, Weather API, and then I was using this Weather API to sign in. And then when I sign in, they gave me the API key. And then I put the API key. Oh, sorry, I didn't copy it. So I copy the API key, and then I fetch the data. So this one is a parameter that either London or like a, look at this. This is a US zip code, a postal code, Canada postal code as well, or latitude, longitude, or city name. So I was using this query, and then because now I'm under the free version, I'm using the free version. I can only fetch data for 3 days. So get the 3 days, and then show respond, then I get this respond like as a JSON data. So I copy the data, the JSON data, and then I convert it to JSON to C sharp, and then sorry, gonna go. Sorry. Why? I put this data, the JSON data, and then convert it, and it show me this classes. So astro or condition current. So I copy this one and then store it as my model. So in the root, I copy paste my classes here, and then some property I change a little bit because like for example, there's a minimum temperature, but I want to put the minimum temperature round the number, and then I want to put the mean in front of the number, and I also want to put the temperature at the end of the number. So I change the property a little bit. For example, this one also, yeah, I changed the date. This one is to give me the string daytime date, but I changed the date to put time in, and then I only put the date, or yeah, time also only time. Like I changed a little bit to modify the data. And after that, I put so this one is a fetching the API. So I made a service folder with a weather service file. So I call the HTTP requests, HTTP client, and then put the URL, and then when it's the HTTP client and get async put my URL and then my key, the weather API key, and then query, I put it place, and then days for the 3 days because it's a free version. And then when it get the success message, I can get this respond, and then to store it as a weather list. So, and then return it. So when you go to the first main page, I was like showing main page, this one. This one is show the main page. I put everything on the scroll view. So I'll put the scroll view and then put the detailed information here and there. And then also there is sorry, this upcoming weather by hour. I just uh store this one in the collection, and then when it's this collection view, I bind it to the forecast period. Also come down, and then there's another collection view. There's the next 3 days collection view, And then I also put this one, and then yeah, I put it in the collection view, and then item source is a binding forecast days. And then when you see the code behind, there's nothing much going on. Just bind it to the main view model, because this MAUI and then MVVM approaches are kind very new to me. I was not very familiar with this concept, so I was using James Montemagno's .NET MAUI video instruction, and then I follow a lot of his code as well, his approach. So he put the view model, and then there's a main view model. So just he put this almost same name, and then this is a I call the weather service, and then this one is a forecast period, and then I put it in the collection, the list of the yeah list of hour, and then this one is a observable collection, and I also forecast the days for an upcoming days. I also put it in the lists, forecast day, and then observable collection. So um, when it yeah, there's a connectivity. I also check get the connectivity, and when the website, this is a instruct construction. So get the connectivity and the weather service, and then get control current location. So for the first page, when we just open the web page, it just get the current location. I put it the current location as a Wallen. So this one, it was this one. So I get the geolocation, and then get the latitude and longitude, and then put this latitude longitude as a location, and then call the get weather async. Then go down to the get weather async. Just check the internet connection. If it's not, just check the error message. And then the bottom is yeah, so after that, this one is a weather service, and then get the weather data. I put the location, and then when I get the data successfully, I can put this one to the city name, country name, and then all the weather information. Also, put the list of the period. I just clear this list, the collection, and then loop through every 4 hours weather data is like a forecast, and then every 4 hours that data I added to this list. And then also this one is upcoming days, few days, but I can only get the 3 days because it's a free version, so I just put it here. And then also look through the weather data for the days, and then edit the data to the forecast days. So this is my model view, main view model. And this one, when you click, for example, click for the tomorrow, this one goes to the detail page, and then about the information and all the information by hours. So this one is go to details page. So I also put all the data in the scroll view, and then this is a little information. Also, I put the collection view binding to forecast hour. And then also the details views code behind is very simple. Bind to the detail view model, binding context. And then the view model, the detail view model is also very simple for day, but I passed this one to query property to forecast day, and then I also want to display the city name like this. So I also pass this one to the city name. And then yes, so this one has to be click one of this list. I had to click it. So this one from the main page. Hmm. So in the main page, when you click it, this one is a tap gesture recognizer. So when you click it, it binding to the view model and then call the go detail command. So go to the main view model. So go the click it, call the this relay command, go detail async, and then get the forecast day that the click the day, and then this one pass to go to the details page and then pass this forecast day with this forecast day that I click the information, and then also I pass it to the city name. So city name I can call it too. So that's it. I will just which one? Ottawa. So this one is Ottawa. So Ottawa information by next few days or today's information, I can scroll down to check the weather as well. So this is my weather app demonstration. Thank you for watching and then have a good day.